Oh, hi guys, and we are back on my channel. Now today we got a special thing on our hands. It's an Amazon story box. And you know what that means? An unboxing video. Now that means, let me open this thing. It was easy to open because it's not even taped at all. This is the damn bill. Blah blah blah, you can read it. But then, try to guess what I got. If you said A, I'm the idea of a Wimpy kid, that's wrong. If you said B, Tom Gates' Book of Everything, you're right. Now you see, this book, you can do everything. It's like the D. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how. Yeah, because you already own it. So, bye.